Welcome to Crash IQ. In today's video, we will take a look at several road incidents and analyze what went wrong in each situation. Watch a minivan driver. He's merging onto the highway and selfishly tries to change lanes. That's not acceptable. You must wait until the lane is clear. Also, notice their interaction afterward. It's a bit funny. Look at the black car driver. The truck had already started its maneuver, so he should have waited and continued in his lane. What he did is strictly prohibited. A major problem: motorcycles. I can't justify riding between lanes like this. He should be riding like any other vehicle, within a single lane. In this video, we see the black car lose control on a snowy road, causing a crash. In these conditions, following the speed limit is crucial. Drive slowly and make sure you have proper winter tires. The silver Chevrolet hits a car from behind, then tries to escape using the right lane of the highway. In traffic, driver must stay alert and never act like this. Even after a minor crash, it's essential to stop the vehicle. In the white circle, we see a silver car lose control and get hit by the truck. It's hard to know the exact cause, but extra caution is needed when driving in your trucks because they cannot brake as quickly as smaller cars. Hopefully, no one was hurt. Watch the black Jeep, it has the left signal on, but that does not justify the move. Before changing lanes, the driver should have checked the mirror and moved only when it was safe. Also, fleeing after a crash is strictly prohibited. You must call the police and wait for the insurance company. The blue car's driver lost control and crashed into oncoming traffic. In weather like this, it's important to follow the speed limit and avoid overtaking, especially if your tires are not in good condition. When changing lanes on the highway, make sure it is safe before making the maneuver, to avoid danger for yourself and others. The taxi failed to realize that the truck cannot brake quickly and needed more distance to stop. It would have been better to let the truck pass first and then move left. Most importantly, stay safe. The white car is entering the main road. When coming from a side road, vehicles already on the main road have priority. The driver should have given way and entered only after it was safe. Here we see two mistakes. First, the driver who cannot properly control the car in reverse, which requires experience. Second, the badly parked vehicle. Of course, the main fault is with the white car's driver, who should have been far more careful if reversing is difficult for him. Here we see the black car lose control. I honestly don't know how this happened. Maybe you can explain it in the comments. Let me know what you think. These accidents could clearly have been avoided. The driver was trying to reverse park, which naturally takes time. In situations like this, we should simply show respect and help each other out. Watch the timer. At intersections, the vehicle going straight has the right of way, so you must yield. Here we also see the slight speeding violation. This accident likely would not have happened at a lower speed. On icy roads, winter tires and a properly maintained vehicle are essential. It's also important to respect the speed limit. What is the fourth driver doing? He changing lanes and then brakes. More attention is needed during lane change to avoid creating danger for others. In the white circle, we see a car trying to overtake a truck. During overtaking, it's essential to check the mirror. Make sure it's safe and only then complete the maneuver. Warning: this is a heavy cliff ahead. The first rule is simple. Red means stop, yellow means prepare, and green means go. The white Ford Ranger runs a red light at high speed and causes a severe crash. I hope everyone is okay. At intersections, traffic lights are top priority. When approaching a traffic light, it's essential to slow down in order to avoid danger. What to Porsche driver? In most countries, traffic drives on the right side of the road, while in places like the United Kingdom and Japan, traffic moves on the left. When traveling, it's essential to learn the country road rules. On icy roads, following the speed limits and using winter tires. It's so important. On the highway, keeping a safe distance. Here we see the car marked by the arrow brake suddenly, which can happen at any moment. Leave enough space so you can stop safely in any situation. Drive safely. Always stay alert on the road. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.